Good morning. It's 5:30 and I've been home for half an hour. I left yesterday to go to a Sharknado party with a bunch of university friends, and it got to be 1 a.m. in the morning, and we were playing Cards Against Humanity charades, which is hilarious, and they convinced me to stay. So I did not bring anything that I needed to stay at all, but they were very convincing. It was like, you can't leave now, it's 1 a.m. It's so late, you can't drive home by yourself at this time. I was like, fine, I'll stay and play more charades. Which, by the way, new game idea. If you haven't heard of this before, take Cards Against Humanities, take the answer cards, so the white ones, pick one, and then act it out like charades and have your team guess what the heck you're saying. It's ridiculous, and just it's really funny. Do it. Anyway, so I ended up staying overnight, and the only outfit I had was my dress. And this morning, everybody decided that it would be a really good idea to go hiking. So I just came back from hiking in a dress and Chucks. Which, I mean, the Chucks are okay. They're better than sandals. I'm glad I didn't wear sandals. But they're not the most comfortable. And they're really old. These specific Chucks are old, so they don't really have, like, a sole anymore. So, it was interesting, to say the least. Don't go hiking in dresses and Chucks, it doesn't make any sense. I had a good time. It was really entertaining. Oh, and one of my friends, the one that encouraged me the most to stay over, had been in Germany during the World Cup. And I guess she either visited Holland or she was in Holland or something. But she got me these earrings, and they're little Holland flags. They've got like little lions on them. They're orange lions. It makes me so happy. I'm gonna wear them all the time. Sheesh, learn how to play, Corrado.
The keyboard died.
What do you mean your keyboard died? How did your keyboard just die?
Keyboard
You're just gonna keep moving to the right forever?
To the right, to the right.
Everybody you're playing with is probably like, what are you doing? Learn to play! So you just have control over your mouse?
That's it.
And your mouse does what?
Direction. I did make it all the way to the enemy base, so... Yeah.
You just gotta move sideways.
That was the strangest thing. Did my keyboard actually...
The keyboard's still not working?
This is more unfortunate for other situations other than video game playing.
We have extra keyboards, I'm sure. Yeah, no, you're not. It's not doing anything. Well, good luck with that. We should get some freaky. Let's get freaky tonight. No.
No.
I have no idea what this is.
I'm sure if you read the box, it'll tell you.
Roasted green wheat whole grain.
There you go. It's roasted green wheat whole grain.
Is freaky.
That's how it's done.
I'm probably saying that really wrong.
Probably. I got jasmine rice instead.
Jasmine rice.
I like the jasmine
I got
rice.
Dutch bread.
The Dutch crunch?
It's Dutch bread. I've never seen this bread before in my life.
Yes, you have.
I've seen it once and it was delicious.
So we're shopping, obviously. It's the big shopping thing. And I wanted to show this.
What? Oh.
You're gonna have to do it for me because I'm holding the camera. So I didn't bring a pen. So I wrote everything down, and then I perforated the edges for everyone where it is, so I know exactly what we took. Go me. Go me. Go me. Yeah. And we're back. And Corey has cleaned out the fridge. And it's time for a complete restocking of all the goods.
Yay!
Yay!
Fun fact, Mary has never opened a bag of milk before.
Not all of Canada has bagged milk.
I forgot about that from time to
Just
time.
the best part.
Ooh.
Alberta doesn't have it. So Mary, this is the milk container. So instead of using all this plastic every time, you only need to use it once. Put it in there. Now you give it a little shake, just to make sure it goes all the way down. Okay? You got it. Now we just got...
Scissors are in the knife block.
Scissors are in the knife block. Then you can do the honors.
It sounds like code.
And you just want to cut just like a little...
Just a little bit. Not too big.
So, guy.
There you go.
Okay, now no, put it on my finger.
The little hat.
Put it on my finger. Oh, can someone focus the camera?
This is more challenging.
Oh, it's a little hat. Wee. There, that's an important part. Don't forget that stuff.
Oh, okay. Weird. And now you pour.
That's it. Some people do the two whole things.
No.
That's wrong. Don't ever do that, okay? That's just wrong.
It just feels wrong. Feels great.
Feels
so
good.
wrong, it's right.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Hi, I'm back. Hi.
Hello.
Did you miss me? Hi. Aw, thanks, Mary. Art.
What's art?
This is. Now it's even more art. Beautiful. Thank you for that. That's great. Okay. Okay. Stop it. It's time for bed. And I am armed.
I feel like I moved my arm. You would have squished it.
You should have expected that. If you didn't, that is your fault. Corrado gave me allergies, guys.
Yeah, Saskia is under the very incorrect impression that allergies is contagious. For the past 29 years of my life, I have had terrible allergies. And this year, they are like non-existent. And normally I would walk into a house with like a cat or a dog and my eyes would swell up and my asthma would trigger. Nothing. My allergies are like gone. We have a dog and I'm perfectly fine. No asthma problems, no allergy problems.
Well, I'm happy about that.
And then Saskia,
I hate you.
I have transferred all of it to you. Thanks.
I have never been allergic in my life. Like ever. And then suddenly, last September, the world was like, hey, here's a fun feeling. Sneeze a bunch. Okay.
I think it's making up for all the years you've made fun of me.
Back this year, and it's really bad.
Yeah.
Like, really bad. And it's not the dog, because I've been, like, I cuddle with him all the time, and he doesn't make me sneeze. And I've been in houses with other dogs, and it's not the dogs that make me do it. It's the freaking outside, which is even worse. Because I can't. Like,
that's what you get for making fun of me.
Nowhere to go.
It's payback.
I hate you.
Yep.
So, I'm now armed with tissue boxes. And,
just take allergy meds.
I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, but I don't want to take meds every single day.
You don't have to take them every single day.
Well, it's been bad, like, every day this past week.
Yeah, so just take them every day for a week. Hey man, the choice is yours.
I know, so I have this. A tissue box.
Well then don't complain.
I can still complain.
There are medical solutions to your problem.
Complain all I want, thank you very much. Anyway, I'm going to bed.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to go to bed and not sneeze. I'm okay. I think I'm okay.
As long as you don't sneeze on me accidentally.
I'm gonna sneeze all over you.
Gross.
You're gonna be covered in sneeze. Congratulations.
I'm gonna do one of these.
Rude.
And then...
Rude! Okay, anyway, I'm going to bed. I hope you had a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Give me daily vlogs, I want them in my subscription box. I wonder who might drop by, even though sometimes it's Canada outside. So don't go away, we're here every day. It's not ApprenticeEh, it's ApprenticeEh. Hey, 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 hey. Home is where the blog is.